Hi everyone, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. In this video, let's continue to discuss dumping system secrets with the help of PowerShell. NTDS.date system and SAM hives are very useful to gather very important system secrets from a machine. We can use either invoke ninja copy from PowerSploit or copy VSS from Nishang to copy these pieces of information. Invoke ninja copy is stealthier than copy VSS as it does not start or does not need the volume shadow service which copy VSS needs. So it depends on your choice or whatever is at your hand to use. Let's try both of these. Let's use copy VSS from Nishan. So it asks for the path where we want to save it. So let's save it to cpfpt, and that is it. Now if I run this, note that we are running it from an elevated shell. So it says one file copied because it was unable to find ntds.date. So let's see. So we indeed have a SAM hive here, and we can use so many tools or methods to extract things out of it. Let's just use Kane and import it from a SAM database. Without the boot key, so even without the boot key, we should be able to list the hashes, which is true. So this way, we can use copy VSS to copy the SAM hive. We can also use PowerSploit, invoke ninja copy for the same thing, but with more stealth. So these are its usage. Have a look at it. One additional thing with invoke ninja copy is it is able to dump SAM hives or NTDS files from remote machines. So it is up to you again if you want the built-in PowerShell remoting functionality or you want to use these scripts over a PowerShell remoting session. So that doesn't make a huge difference. Now if we dump ntds.date or system hive from a domain controller, there is a detailed blog post by Mubix on this by Rob. I'm sorry, I just used his Twitter handle by Rob Fuller. Just have a look at it. There are much details on how to extract password hashes out of these files. We can also dump web credentials. I repeat, only the web credentials from Windows Vault in plain text, and that is for Windows 8 onwards, because for example in Windows 7 it is not possible to retrieve the passwords from the vault. I think they are not stored in the Windows Vault. So for this, we need to move to a post Windows 7 machine. So this is a Windows server. Note that you may or may not get web credentials on a server machine. More chances are on a desktop machine. In any case, let's just try these things out. Get web credentials, need PowerShell version 3, and it is going to be a part of Nishang. It's a work in progress. So if we run this, you can see that we have a Gmail account with this username and this password. Same goes for if you run get vault credential, it provides you with the details like this. So this way it is easy to expand your presence or get access to further machines or accounts once you get onto a machine. The last thing in dumping system secrets is get GPP password. I will not go into details of this thing. It was just that the users which were created with the help of group policy, passwords of those users could be decrypted because they were encrypted using a known key, and the encrypted passwords could be pulled from system.xml and various similar files from a domain controller without elevated privileges. This KB has fixed it to some extent, but passwords for users which were added through group policy prior to this patch could still be retrieved. So that is all about dumping system secrets with the help of PowerShell. I hope this would be useful. If you are enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the information security community.